Question 1, parts 1 to 4. Bodas de Sangre, a play by Federico García Lorca. Read these stage directions for the play. Habitación pintada de rosa con ramos de flores populares. En el centro, una mesa con un vaso. Es por la mañana temprano. La tía de Leonardo entra con un niño en brazos. Write the correct letter in each box. So the first thing is there's 4 parts to this, and typically with questions like this, the 4 parts, you'll get the answer from 4 separate sentences. So the first part, I'll expect to get the answer in the first sentence, second part in the second sentence, etc. So it says 1.1. The scene is set in A garden, B house, C park. So let's have a look at that first sentence. Habitación pintada de rosa con ramos de flores populares. Now, what words might give us a big clue? Now, certainly the word flores is something that many people would recognise easily, and therefore it might lead them to think of a park because it means flowers. However, the key word here is habitación, room, which hopefully you can remember from the holiday topic. So it's a room painted pink with bouquets of popular flowers. So because it's a room, therefore the scene is set in A house, B. Part 2. On a stage there is a table with a chair, table with a glass, or table with a lamp. Let's look at the second sentence for this. En el centro, una mesa con un vaso. So the key thing is here, the key word we're looking at is the word vaso. In the centre, a table with a, and vaso means glass. So it's B, a table with a glass. Hopefully you were able to rule out C, because hopefully you know the word lamp is lámpara. Maybe you'll know the word chair is silla, and therefore B was the only one left. It may be that you knew the word window is ventana, or glass as opposed to cardboard is vidrio. So they begin with a V, and hopefully that might have given you a clue that vaso was another word for glass, as in the type of glass that you drink out of, rather than the material, which is vidrio. Part 3. It is A, early morning, B, mid-morning, C, late morning. Look at the third sentence here. Es por la mañana temprano. So it is in the morning, so the key word here is temprano, whether it means early, mid, or late. Well, the word mid is usually translated by something like medio or mitad, so it's an M word in Spanish, just as it is in English. The word late is tarde, which also means afternoon or evening. So therefore, it's A. Temprano means early. And part 4. Altogether on stage, there are A woman, a man, a woman and a child, B, a woman and a child, or C, 2 women and a child. Let's look at the 4th sentence for this. La tía de Leonardo entra con un niño en brazos. Let's break down what it might be referring to. The auntie of Leonardo enters with a child in her arms. So it's an auntie, female, with a child. Therefore, we're looking at B, a woman and a child. So you might possibly have been distracted by the idea of seeing tia, seeing a male name, and seeing child, and thought, okay, maybe it's a man and a woman, but the word de means of, the auntie of Leonardo, so that's just one person, one female. Okay, so B was what we were looking for there.